How to replace a front main seal on a Chevy Malibu. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. We have this 2009 Chevy Malibu with the 4-cylinder ECOTEC motor. It has a leaking front main seal or a camshaft seal. So I'm going to be replacing that today. In order to do that, you need to remove the serpentine belt. With the serpentine belt off, I removed the front passenger wheel, and there's going to be a piece of plastic trim right here. Just a couple plastic clips you need to remove, and you can pull the trim off. Once you remove the front passenger wheel, you remove that trim, you can see the pulley right here that we'll be working on. Now this is a camshaft pulley, and the seal is behind there. So this is the box with the seal we need to replace, and also the bolt in the middle is a 21mm socket. So we'll try to use this 21mm socket to remove that bolt, and we'll get to the seal behind this camshaft pulley. When I was trying to remove the bolt from the pulley using this breaker bar in the socket, it would just spin. So it's a really simple solution. All you have to do is, you notice there's holes in the pulley. All I did was take a screwdriver and put it into one of these holes, and then the screwdriver caught one of those fins that you see back there, and it stopped it from spinning. So all you need to do, insert a screwdriver right there, and then you'll be able to back the bolt out without the pulley spinning. Now it's loose. I can get my socket on there and just go ahead and remove that bolt. So that's it. Got the bolt out. Okay, so I got the pulley off. It's right down here, and I gotta be honest, guys, I did not use a puller. I rocked it back and forth with my bare hands, and it came off. If you're doing this job, you may need to use a puller or rent a puller, but I was actually able to just pull this off. So there it is. You can see all the oil getting past the seal right here. So this seal is what I'm going to replace, which should solve this problem. So I have everything cleaned up. The old seal is out. I wiped it down, and now my new seal is right there. I'm gonna take the new seal, get some clean oil on it, and get it in place. Once I get the new seal seated, I'm going to reinstall the pulley, reinstall the pulley bolt, and put this thing back together. The new seal is installed. I coated it in fresh oil and slowly and carefully pushed it into place with my thumbs. I didn't need any special tools. It's seated. So now I'm going to put the pulley back on and reinstall the bolt. So I put the bolt back in, and I used my torque wrench, and I torqued it down to 80 foot-pounds. I was looking online, and I saw 74 a couple places, or 74 plus 100 degrees or 140 degrees. I just decided to do it at 80, and I'll keep an eye on it, but that should be it. It's just a reverse. I'm going to put the serpentine belt back on, put the air box in, put the engine cover on, reconnect all of the hoses, and this job should be done. So this is the after. Before I did this repair, there was oil spraying everywhere off of this pulley, and right now it's completely dry.